So the concept was simple. Bring a meal and bring a new friend. His garden was too small to receive the guests. So he told them to go convene at the Bois de Boulogne, which is in France, Paris, and to dress all in white, which as you can see, everybody's dressed in white. Now, the reason behind the white is so that everybody can recognize each other. Now, this friendly gathering became so popular that it grew over time and now brings together over 15,000 friends every year in Paris. 27 years later, François Paquet, his son, still organizes the Parisian Dîner en Blanc with the same friends. Of course, friends of friends of friends. Today, it is now being celebrated in 53 cities globally. And for the first time, I love saying, we'll be in the city of West Palm Beach. With this said, this marvelous event could not be possible without the support of our sponsors. The Palm Beach County Convention Center, led by Jacqueline, Chelsea, and Alexandra, thank you so much for opening your doors to us, especially to be able to cater this beautiful, beautiful media party. Yay! And of course, your catering department of the Palm Beach County Convention Center. I can taste some food. Isn't it delicious? Okay, so please, this is what you're going to eat on the day of that food purchase in the platform. Atlas Party Rental, led by Tiffany, Heather, and Tammy. Thank you so much for your incomparable customer service. Those emails at 2 a.m., those million questions I would have. Thank you so much for this. Let's